Hey guys, what's up? Today we are talking about the new, truly bezel-less smartphone. Yes, I'm talking about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. Xiaomi has been stirring up quite a bit of commotion in the rumor mill lately. The Chinese manufacturers appears to have quite a few interesting devices in the works, and info on release schedules and specs has been fluctuating massively, especially in regarding to MWC 2018 and the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset. With the Mi 7 flagship now allegedly pushed back far after the Barcelona event, tension is mounting around the Mi Mix 2S. It was recently spotted flexing some series Snapdragon 845 muscle in Antutu scores. If that wasn't enough proof of its immersive internals and Snapdragon 845 ambassador status, an official looking Xiaomi banner for the phone was recently unearthed. It explicitly lists a 5.99-inch panel, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, as well as the aforementioned beastly Qualcomm chipset, but perhaps more immersive still is the included render of the phone and what is described as full screen design 3.0. It really does take the edge-to-edge display concept to a whole new level. The Mi Mix 2S appears to have side bezel and top and bottom chins even slimmer than those on the Mi Mix 2. Only the front-facing camera interrupting the all-display aesthetic of the handset and not by much, just taking up a small portion of the top right corner. We really do hope the render accurately represents the final product. Other less substantiated rumors about the Mi Mix 2S include a dual 12MP main camera setup based on the Sony IMX363 sensor, also an under-display fingerprint scanner, as well as AI technology to allegedly power iPhone-like facial recognition algorithm, among other things. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming daily tech videos, and I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.